Iran's supreme leader Ali Khamenei declared on Wednesday that Israel will face punishment and it will happen for its assault on the Iranian embassy compound in Syria, which resulted in the deaths of senior IRGC generals. In a significant escalation of Israel's conflict with regional foes, suspected Israeli warplanes conducted a precise strike on Iran's consulate in the Syrian capital on April 1, resulting in the deaths of 7 IRGC Quds Force officers responsible for overseeing Iran's armed proxies. When they attack the consulate, it is as if they have attacked our soil, Khamenei said in a speech marking the end of the Muslim holy month of Ramzan. The evil regime made a mistake and must be punished, and it shall be, he added. Despite repeated threats of retaliation from Iranian officials, no attacks have been carried out thus far, with many voices in Iran advocating for caution and strategic patience. In what seems to be a direct response to Khamenei's remarks, Israeli Foreign Minister Israel Katz asserted on Wednesday that Israel will retaliate if Iran launches an attack on Israel from its own territory. If Iran attacks from its own territory, Israel will respond and attack in Iran, Katz said in a post on X. Iran backs groups that have entered the fray across the region since Israel launched its invasion of Gaza following the October 7 attack on southern Israel by Hamas that killed more than 1,000 civilians. Some 33,360 Palestinians have been killed in 6 months of Israeli bombardment of Gaza, according to unverified numbers issued by Hamas. Israel says around 10,000 Hamas militants were among those who died during its military operation. The Iran-backed Lebanese Hezbollah group has exchanged fire on a daily basis with Israel, while Iraqi groups have fired on US forces in Syria and Iraq, and the Houthis of Yemen have targeted shipping in the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.